Welcome back. All right, remember I said you are going to see this look like multiple times, but you're going to see different DIY. Okay, I decided to shoot this video the same day, so get used to my face. This face, get used to this face, because this is not my real face. You all know this is makeup, right? And you all have seen me without makeup, so you got my gist. Anyway, welcome back to my channel, Simply Family. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes, thank you for your comments, thank you for your subscriptions, thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, we're going to be doing DIY emojis Halloween costume. All right, DIY emoji Halloween costume. You all know that I use emojis a lot. Whenever I reply you guys, you always see it. You see my hugs, you see my hearts, like love you, kind of, you know. That's where I reply my comments, even text messages, like, you know, depending on who I'm talking to. Though I'm not going to be replying my bosses with emojis. You know what I'm talking about. Or yeah, even smiling face I don't put in that because that's official. All right, but when I'm dealing with friends and family, and you are my family, I guess, yeah, you are my family, so I know you all are used to me using emojis a lot. So I'm going to be doing DIY. I came up with this. I'm also going to inspire, and I'm also going to insert the picture that inspired this video. All right, and for this video, all we're going to need is a t-shirt. You all have seen this before. This is from Dollar Tree. It's $1. I'm going to be using the same tape that is double-sided. I'm going to be using that with this tutorial. And also I bought this. These are emojis, right? So I bought this plate. There are 20 in it. I don't need 20 of that to achieve this, but you know, it's from Dollar Tree. There are 20 of it in a pack for $1. So I already went ahead, in order not to prolong this video, I already trim out the ones that I'm going to need. So I put them in this plate right here. I already trimmed them out. All right, I took my time to, you know, to trace and cut them and make them look as neat as possible. So all we're going to do is just to glue them on. You know, if you want to have fun with Halloween and you don't want to go for all the scoopy, spooky, kind of scary kind of looking, yeah, these are the amazing ideas that I'm bringing to you guys. You can use all of this and still look, you know, not scary, but you're still in the Halloween spirit. All right, if you all get my gist. Okay, so before I continue with this tutorial, please, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on the notification post so as to get notified whenever I upload. And please do not forget to leave me comment in the comment section. Let me know your thought about this video. Give me likes, please share this video, and subscribe if you haven't before. Thank you all so much for watching, and let's continue bit by bit. It's DIY. It do take time. It takes a lot of work, a lot of patience to do DIYs. All right, so don't get discouraged while you're doing it. Don't think you're wasting your time. It's not. You'll be surprised. Some people will find it helpful, and you know, for me it's fun doing it. Okay, I already put it double-sided tape at the back, so I'm just going to go ahead and just stick it on there. You see, when you're done with the Halloween, you can just take it out and still use your t-shirts. It's not going to ruin it, because this tape is meant for fabrics. It doesn't destroy fabrics. I tried it on one of my material, and I noticed that it doesn't do any damage, so why not? So guys, this is how this is looking. Yeah, this is how it is looking, like so. So when I try it on, that's when you are going to see it. Like, I feel like you can be able to get the gist already. It's very easy. See, it's like you're putting a smile on people's face. It's not scary, and you can use this like your Halloween costume. Emoji DIY emoji Halloween costume. All right, see, you have another option of achieving this. You can print them out from the computer, but that is going to cost you a lot of money, and the reason is because you're going to use a lot of colored ink for your printer at home, and that's a lot of money there just for one day events. So I think this is the most cost-effective way of doing it, and you can still use your t-shirts for something else. If you use the printer, that means that shirt is going to be permanently emoji shirts, but with this you can just take them out when you're done and trash this out, and you still go ahead and rock your t-shirt like that. So this is the outcome of the emoji, right? See, this is so easy. This can put smile on kids' face, anybody's face. Like, they imagine who you are at the back. There's nothing there. They come to the front and they see all this, you know, amazing stuff going on. Yeah, this is a kind of Halloween I would surely venture into. I'm not against spooky, but it's just that it's not my thing. I can't even do any makeup like so spooky makeup, like, you know, all those creative makeup that people normally do for Halloween. So I'm creating my own sunshine. Yes, this is how I create my own sunshine. So if you want to do this, you also how I came up with this. Your t-shirt can never be ruined. All you need to do is to take it out. You see, you take it out, stick it on back, bam. You know, you just need double-sided face, and you all saw it. I don't want to prolong the matter, okay? So I just tuck it in. Don't forget, this is not a fashion styling. Whenever you're talking, it's more advisable to use a belt, but for the sake of this video, I'm not using a belt because I'm going to take it off soon. So I just wanted to, so I paired with the sneakers because you're going to be walking around, you know, during Halloween. That is if it's going to happen because of what is going on. I'm just, you know, just saying. Some people will still decide to go out with their mask though. So if you're going to do trick or treat, you want to wear a shoe that is comfortable. You can pair with any choice of your own sneakers. You all have seen this before in one haul that I did, that I bought it on Amazon. So yeah, that is it. Look at those smiles, those laughing, those love, those hearts, you know, the cool guy with the glasses, you know. Yeah, so that is it, guys. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section about this video. Please let me know your thoughts about this video in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate you all. God bless you all, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.